But when patients have a jaw fracture, even if we use metal plates inside, we need to align the teeth. The way that we align the teeth is by using an intermaxillary fixation device, which is usually wiring the upper and lower jaws together. When we wire those jaws together, we often need to leave the jaws locked together for a period of 4 to 6 weeks. Currently, we do that with a wire system with twisted wires around every tooth, and the jaw wires are locked together. With the new system, we'll use a plastic arch bar or a polymer arch bar and all polymer parts to wrap around the teeth, and that eliminates the sharp. The polymer intermaxillary fixation device is used in the case of mandibular fractures. What we see here is we have an arch bar similar to what you're familiar with, but it's made of polymer instead of metal. The inner arch receptacles can be snapped on with these attachment posts onto any of the areas that you see on the arch bar, so that the surgeon can vary the number of receptacles depending on the number of the patient's teeth or the type of fracture that they're dealing with. These swivel slightly to allow the surgeon to align the brackets however they need to. The zip tie attachment is actually used to create a circumdental ligature in place of wires, and this securely fastens the arch bar to the tooth-bearing segment. The intermaxillary fixation is then completed by placing the inner arch cable, which locks the jaws into position. These are bidirectional and they securely fix the patient into intermaxillary fixation. The edges can be trimmed and smoothed, and there's no sharp edges. This system is very similarly placed to the current arch bars. The difference is you're using a polymer tie instead of wires. The other difference is they lock together very securely using the inner arch cables, and you don't need to twist wires to lock the jaws together. So because this system is similar in many ways, I think surgeons from all around the country, if not the world, will be able to adapt to this.